Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a product called the Blackhead Acne Removal Toolkit Blemish Extractor by a company called Anjou. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, A-N-J-O-U. Comes with this little booklet in many languages telling you about the product itself. These are very interesting, high quality, and this case it comes in is just really well built. It's all padded, looks really fancy, and you just push that button and opens up and you can see the 5 sets of tools in there. Now this is all This is all 304 stainless steel material. And you can see it has double-ended tools, so there's a tool on each one of these sides. And there is pointed one, a needle one, triangle, and a loop, a large loop, and a small spoon tip. And this comes with a full 1-year warranty. And what I like to do is I have a calibrated magnet that I use to determine the quality of metals. So what I feel right here is I'm not getting any magnetic field back on it, just minimal for a slight amount of carbon in there. So that tells me that this is stainless steel that they're mentioning. If I take a typical piece of metal, then it's going to stick to it because that's not stainless steel. Or another example is I take a blade and it's going to have a traction to it. So this shows me that this is definitely stainless steel. Now these tools are really nicely built, and you can see that it has a little flexible elastic piece right there to hold the tools in. It has a nice long hinge there. So very attractive set with a soft material in there, which keeps this sharp and not damaged. Now I'm going to show you just an example here. Here's one of them right here. This is the spoon shape, and the way these work is that if you have acne or a blackhead, it allows you to go in and safely remove them. Now I'm going to demonstrate here with an orange, which has a lot of pores on it. So let's say you had some acne right here. This would be, you would take this and you would push down, and then see how it's applying pressure, and then if there's any white blood cells in there, you would push that out, and then you just essentially go like that and you could scrape it away. Now before you use these tools, you should put alcohol on them. I like to use 91%, but you know, you can almost see right here that it's pushing out some of the oils from the orange. So the reason why this is important is a lot of times people just put pressure like this, and it causes an uneven burst in the skin layer. And what this does is it puts relatively even pressure on it so that you can remove it safely. Now this will remove, you know, dirt that's embedded in your pores, the blackheads, or what they call the whiteheads. It'll remove both of those, or anything that you have that's on your skin that you want to remove that doesn't require a blade. Now the other tool that's included here is this tool right here, which is a pointed device, and it is very sharp, incredibly sharp, and that is for if you have a larger acne with more of the white cells in there. You would want to put a slight hole in it on the side. Don't do it on the top of it. So you want to go on the side and release that pressure, and then take the other tool and go over that like that, and it'll release the pressure, and then you can wipe away what comes out with the gauze and move on to your next one. So I really like this tool. This is very good quality, very, very good price, and I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.